Buy the dip on these Air Jordan 1s. The market dropped. Free Panda Dunk giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Panda Dunks. Click the link down below in the description. Go subscribe to Hype Time Kicks as well here on YouTube. This is a collab giveaway. For a bonus entry, you can give me a follow on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and then DM me proof that you did everything. I'm gonna pick the winner the beginning of April, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. And I think I'm gonna FaceTime somebody and pick a winner for the Panda Dunks. So make sure you guys DM me on Instagram and tell me, hey Danny, I wanna win Panda Dunks. Make sure you guys do that. Trust me, you want to DM me on Instagram because you have a chance at winning some free Panda Dunks. And don't worry, I have a bunch of sneaker giveaways on the way, whether you guys are local or whether you guys live nowhere near me here in Jersey. I want to be the Mr. Beast of sneaker YouTube and give back. So make sure you guys are subscribed and make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to an easy 600 likes. 600 likes, Panda Dunk giveaway. Make sure you guys subscribe. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Let's talk about these Air Jordan 1s. The dip is here. Buy them now. They've dropped in price. We got to talk about it. These are going up. These are crazy. Let's talk about these Air Jordan 1s. These are just fire. Straight fire. This pair of Air Jordan 1s was reselling for around $170, $180. They have dropped to around $140. This Air Jordan 1 is easily, in my opinion, gonna be a $250 plus Air Jordan 1. I think these Air Jordan 1s will go up a little bit this year in price, and then next year is when they'll really go up. So if you're looking to make money on Air Jordan 1s and you wanna buy low and sell high, this is a pair of Air Jordan 1s that you can get into. Say you spend $150 on pairs and the market goes up to $200. If you spend $300 on a pair of shoes per pair and the market goes up to $350, well, you just made the same $50, but you spent more money, a lot more money to do it. So it's awesome when you can buy in low and let the market go up. This Air Jordan 1 is absolutely perfect for that, and I cannot wait to show you guys these Air Jordan 1s. This Air Jordan 1 is very similar to a previous released Air Jordan 1 that is reselling for crazy, absolutely crazy money. So that's a huge factor in why I think this Air Jordan 1 will definitely go up in price. Let me show you guys these sneakers, and let me tell you guys a little bit about Sole Premise. They have the best, absolute best sneaker bags in the game. Sneakerhead, Sole Premise has the best bags in the game. Their bags actually hold your sneakers. We got the duffel, we have the daily bag. The duffel bag, I have a bunch of my sneakers in it right now, and as you guys can see, it's packed. There's 6 pairs of shoes in here. There's also 2 side compartments right here. I could also fit another pair of sneakers in there as well. And the other side, plenty of room in each and every Sole Premise bag. So that was the duffel bag. It's absolutely awesome. Now the daily bag, I love even more. It's the perfect daily essential bag, and it actually holds your sneakers as well. My laptop. And there's actually room for some sneakers. I have a pair of Yeezys in there right now. And I can fit another pair of shoes in the bag as well. There's also plenty of room for my laptop, my chargers, accessories, anything at all I can fit in my daily Sole Premise bag. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love my Sole Premise bags. They're great. Click the link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise and make sure you use my discount code DannyMoore to receive 40% off your order from SolePremise.com. So in this box, I have a pair of sneakers that I bought from Stadium Goods, as you can see by that tag. This is the giveaway pair. I just wanted to show you guys that, hey, I bought them from Stadium Goods. They came very quick. I did originally buy them from StockX, but StockX, I have a problem with them now. I can do a video if you guys want me to. Leave a comment, let me know. Just StockX messing up again, but I had to go to Stadium Goods to pick up the giveaway pair of Panda Dunks. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your size. Subscribe to Hype Time Kicks. His link is down below in the description. And then DM me proof that you did everything. I'm gonna FaceTime the winner in the beginning of April, and they're gonna get some Panda Dunks for completely free. I wanna be the Mr. Beast of sneaker YouTube. I wanna give back to my audience. So if you're new around here, become part of my audience and you could possibly win some free sneakers. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I cannot wait to FaceTime the winner. This is just gonna be crazy, mind-blowing. I can't wait to see their reaction. And I'm gonna record it for you guys, of course, so you guys will see it too. Make sure you guys subscribe. Let me put these down and let's talk about these Air Jordan 1s. The market on this Air Jordan 1 has dropped. Now is the time to buy them. This Air Jordan 1's at an all-time low, and I think they're only gonna go up. You can buy this Air Jordan 1 for roughly $140, $150, and I expect them to easily hit $200 this year, maybe even go a little bit above that, and next year easily hit into to $250, maybe even $300. This Air Jordan 1 does not come in your typical Air Jordan 1 box. It comes in the black and gold box. This Air Jordan 1 low exists because of the high top, the bread toe Air Jordan 1 low. The market has dropped on these out of nowhere. I think people got pairs. I think stores got pairs. I think retailers dropped them. And more pairs are just going out into the market. So the market has dropped a little bit. It dropped around $30. $30 to $40 depending on the size. I do believe that they will easily go back up rather soon. So go buy men's pairs. They're a great hold. They're a great Air Jordan 1 low. This color blocking is just awesome. Take a look at the bread toe highs. Those are going for bread, guys. They're going for $700. So when the bread toe highs are so much money, well, we got the low. They're definitely gonna go up in this day and age. These are not gonna sit long at less than $200. I think these will also go up in price because if you take at the Royal pair of these, you take a look at the Shattered Backboard pair of these, they've all gone up in price. This colorway, this color blocking is very popular. On an Air Jordan 1, it's gonna do well, and today's day and age, guys, these are going up in price. So $150, go buy your men's pairs. Now grade school, it's kind of crazy. Grade school is only like $10 less than men's. So grade school pairs, I do expect to go up as well. Go out there and just buy this sneaker in general. Nonetheless, this is a great Air Jordan 1 hold and just a really nice Air Jordan 1 low. Now's the time to buy them. If you want a personal pair, buy them. Just buy them, rock them. They're easily going up. When you have a colorway that is very similar to an other Air Jordan 1 that's going for crazy money, well, the market has to go up. It is going to go up on something just like this. I love these low-key, cheaper sneaker investments, and here's why. Say you spend $150 on these. Market then goes up to $200. Let's compare it to another sneaker that you're going to buy for, say, $300. Those go up to $350. You can actually buy twice as many pairs of these, let them go up that $50, than you could if you were investing into $300 pairs. So these low-key, cheaper investments are awesome. I'll take it all day. So you gotta pick and choose your investments, but I really do like these low-key, cheaper sneaker investments. They're awesome. These are gonna go up in price. If the bread toe Air Jordan 1 low is a must cop for you, make sure you comment a bunch of fire emojis. If you think these are trash and a straight pass, make sure you comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who wants to cop the bread toe Air Jordan 1 low and who does not. Jordan 1 hype, is it dead? Is it dying? I don't think so. I think it comes down to really the colorway, as well as the materials used, and of course, supply and demand. Do you think the Air Jordan 1 is dying? Let me know down below in the comments. I'm very interested to see what the Moore family has to say. The Jordan 1 market has dropped a little bit in my opinion, but I think it's still holding up very well. And when you have a very good colorway just like this, a wearable colorway like this, well, you know that these are gonna go up. The Air Jordan 1 bread toe low is a good hold. Do not sell the Air Jordan 1 low bread toe. Smash that like button. 600 likes on this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Enter in the Panda Dunk giveaway. It's completely free. Follow me on Instagram. DM me proof that you did everything. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys also check out Soul Premise. Go get yourself 40% off the best, absolute best bags in the game. Sneakerheads, these bags hold your sneakers. They're amazing, great quality, and amazing price. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.